Hey guys, welcome back. So for today, I just want to feed my fish and do a quick update on my fluval aquarium. All the plants are actually growing pretty nice, and I got the pothos growing out the top, so let's get right to it. So I have the pothos plant growing on this side. I do have a couple floating plants. Also have this other dendrophilia type, as well as a Swiss cheese plant hanging right here. This guy seems to not even be in the tank anymore. Well, this is why you gotta come check your stuff out once in a while. So I just wanted to kill those dead leaves, maybe give this guy a chance at surviving again. I'm gonna kind of put him in there like that. There we go. I do have some food right here. I'm feeding these guys so we can get all the fish to come out. Got some ember tetras in here, as well as some cherry barbs. Hair algae is almost gone out of this aquarium. Still a little piece or two here and there I need to clean up. Sometimes they like to go on the roots of the plants. It's always a big one. I do have a couple shell dwellers in here as well, some ember tetras, some cherry barbs.